what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear friends, today I have bring another awesome crypto meme project. Bula again. Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear friends, today I have bring another awesome hottest crypto meme project that is called Magic Papi. So this is based on Solana blockchains, and dear friends, its pre-sale is coming soon, and I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you participate in pre-sale on Pink Sale. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are a new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed all official links in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here to join this amazing platform. So dear friends, here you can also check out more information about Magic Papi, so Solana's magic meme frog, so rabbit, your way to fun and fortune by when its pre-sale starts. So here you can also check out more information about, and now you can also join Magic Papi as we ride on the moon, and you can also download and read out its white paper, get more information about this project. And here, welcome to the world of Magic Papi, a revolutionary meme coin project led by an experienced developer with a trusted reputation in the crypto space. So this white paper dives deep into the unique features, innovative strategies, and strong team behind Magic Papi, so showcasing why it stands out as a promising investment opportunity in the meme coin market. So now you can join as explore the field of memes technology and community to create a meme economy as well as like never before this as one. Now here you can also find out the solution overview about Magic Papi, as well as you can also check out its roadmap, and here you can also learn its token mix as well. Now here we can also check out the total tax on buy and sell, zero, so there is no tax at all. Dear friends, here you can also check out the total supply detail, and you can also find out the token contract address as well. Here we can also check out its roadmap, like that Q3 2024 as a website launch, community building, contract creation, Radium launch, and listing CoinGecko, and listing Coin Market as well. Here you can also check out about Q2 2024, Q4 2024 huge marketing push, and 5,000 plus holder, as well as Magic Papi NFT collections and stacking of Papi as well. Here you will also check out the static order detail as well. Now here in Q1 2024, their target is more than 50,000 holders and Bitmart listing and Maxi Global Exchange listing as well. Here you will also check out in Q2 2025 Gate.io listing, LPEG listing, and Bybit. So dear friends, this project will be listing on many top exchanges in future as well. Here you can also find out their social media links and join the Magic Papi community to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project as well. Now here is the Pink Sale, and here you can find out link in my video description, and you can also participate after just 8 hours and 2 minutes. Pre-sale will be started, and here you can also participate in fair launch as well. Now here we can also check out more information about this amazing project, that Coin Market Cap and CoinGecko Fast Track and base team token, as well as previous project Solcat 24x, Baby Doge 4.5x, and Soul Trump 7.5x, and this will be 10 to 20x as well. So there is no tax on buy and sell, and LP logged automatically by Pink Sale and auto listing, as well as Dex tools, Dex screener, Dex view trading, as well as big partnership 30 plus YouTuber and Twitter influencer as well. Now here you can also check out its contract address. The name is Magic Papi and the symbol is MPapi. Here decimal number is 6, and you can also check out total supply mention is here Now here you can also check out the poll address as well as token for pre-sale and token for liquidity as well. So the soft cap is only one soul, and dear fans, its pre-sale just started on 1st August 2024 at 6 o'clock UTC time, and it will be ended after 3 days like that, 3rd August 2024 at 6 o'clock UTC time. So dear friends, once it will be a pre-sale ended, then it will be listed on Radium as well, and the liquidity percent is 51%. Now liquidity lockup time is 35 days after poll end as well. Here you can also check that 60% reserved for the pre-sale, and dear friends, 29% reserved for liquidity, and other one 10.93% unlocked as well. So this is a great opportunity to all of you, so must be participate in this fair launch and must be buy this, because it can really help make a lot of profit in future as well. I also recommend it to all my community, all my friends, so must be join its Telegram group to get latest news and updates, as well as you can attract with their growing and active community. And I also recommend it to all of you, must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates as well. So dear friends, this is a great Solana project that can really help make a lot of profit in future as well, and it have a massive potential inside. So don't miss this golden chance and must be participate in this fair launch on Pink Sale. And also like this video and share with friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.